Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're making a delicious frittata, quick and easy. So let's get started. Yeah, to make our delicious frittata, we have 5 eggs. Yep, there's one hiding back there, so he's there. And over here we have a half a cup of mozzarella cheese. Over here we have Fiesta blend cheese, that's a half cup. Up here we have green onions that we're going to chop up. And back here we have red and green bell peppers and onions. That's about 2 cups. And over here we have Italian sausage, and it's hot sausage. Yeah, this is going to be good. Okay, let's move some of this stuff out of the way. There's 2 eggs, 3 more. I told you there was another one back there hiding. Okay, let's get that out of there for now. Put them aside. And we'll move our peppers and onions and stuff out of the way. We'll get our cheese out of the way. And we'll get our sausage out of the way for a minute. Now we have our onions. Okay, before we chop our onions here, we're going to sharpen our knife again. We're going to use the AnySharp knife sharpener again on our chef knife. Yeah, it's the German steel chef knife. Yeah, let's try to sharpen that one. It's pretty hard steel, so let's give it a try. We'll just clamp that down. And we'll take our nice chef knife here, and we're going to just go ahead and do like 3 pulls. 1, 2. Okay. Wow. Okay. That's really sharp. All right, let's get chopping. Remove this from our countertop. Nice suction cup on there. It won't move while you're sharpening. Okay, let's bring our green onions back. Okay, let's see how we did sharpening our knife. We're gonna chop the bottoms off of these. About right there. Okay, we'll get rid of them. All right, let's chop them up. Wow, nice and sharp. Now you don't want these too fine, you know, you want to be able to see them. Okay. Okay, let's put them in a bowl. Okay. There you have it, our green onions all chopped up nice. Yeah, they look nice. They smell good too. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take our Johnsonville Italian hot sausage and we're going to take out maybe 2 links. Let's open her up. And we'll get out maybe 1, and we'll take another one out. Maybe 2. Okay. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to take our Johnsonville beautiful hot sausage here and we're going to break it up. We'll just cut it up. And you can take the outer covering off if you want. See that? Once you cut into it, you can get rid of that. Okay. Okay, let's take the covering off of this one. All right. Now you can go ahead and slice it and get the covering off. Just like that. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to just go ahead and kind of cut it in chunks. We just want to break it up, really, is what we want to do. Okay. Do the same here. Now it's best if these are a little cold. Mine are a little bit cold, but not like they should be, you know, because it was sitting here for a little bit. Because it makes it easier to chop up. But this is looking really good. This is going to make it taste really good. Yeah, now what we're going to do is we're going to put that in a bowl. Okay, there you have it. Our beautiful Johnsonville hot sausage. It's an Italian sausage with all them herbs and seasonings in there. Yeah, that's going to make it taste really good. All right, let's put them aside. And we'll get our cutting board out of the way here. Okay, now we're going to crack 5 eggs. Now we're going to add a little salt, a little bit of pepper, some garlic powder, some onion powder, and some smoked paprika. Yeah, we love our smoked paprika. And we're going to beat that up. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to add about 2 ounces of milk. Now you can use half and half or regular milk. We have regular milk here. Put that in there. And we're going to beat that up. Okay. Well, now all we have to do is start cooking. Yeah, let's get started. Okay, let's set our burner to medium, and we're going to put a little oil in the pan. We're going to let that warm up a bit. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to add our Johnsonville Italian hot sausage in there that we crumbled up a little bit. Okay. Okay, now we're going to break that up a little bit more and cook him up good. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to add our red peppers, green peppers, and onions. We'll put them in there. Okay, let's stir that around. Give them another little stir. Yeah, they're looking pretty good. Okay, I'm going to let that cook a little bit and let some of that liquid evaporate off. Okay, let's give it another quick stir. Yep, most of the liquid evaporated off. They look beautiful. Okay, we're going to lower our burner temp to medium-low. And we're going to go ahead and put a little bit of our green onions on there, because they add some nice flavor. Okay, now we're going to take some of our mozzarella cheese, put that on there. Now we're going to take some of our Fiesta cheese blend, we'll put that on there. Now we're going to take our egg mixture with all the seasonings and the paprika and all that good stuff, and we're going to pour that right in there. Just like that. Now I kind of like to move it around a little bit and get it kind of mixed in. Level him up a little, you know. Kind of get it down the bottom there. Okay, that's all you have to do. Now we're going to cover that, just like that, and we're going to let it cook for about 5 minutes on medium-low heat, and we'll give it a check. Okay, let's give it a check. Oh yeah, that's looking pretty good. Alright, let's go ahead and add a little more cheese, because we like cheese. Mozzarella cheese. And we'll add a few more of our green onions. Just to make it look nice, plus they taste good. Okay, now we're going to add a little more of our Fiesta cheese blend. We'll put that on there, just a little bit. Get a little cheesy topping there. Wow, that's a big chunk. Alright, we'll get that out of there. Alright, that's better. Okay, that looks good. Now, because we really like cheese, we're going to finish off our mozzarella on top of that. Yep. Alright. Okay, there you go. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to cover that, and we're going to let that cook for about 3 or 4 more minutes on real low heat. So it's medium-low, and let everything get nice and hot and the cheese all nice and melted. Yeah, that sounds good. Okay, let's see how we're doing with our frittata. Wow, that puffed up good. Okay. Now, we can put a little more salt on, just a little bit, and a little bit of pepper, because we like pepper. And I'm going to put a little tiny bit of smoked paprika on, because we just love our smoky flavor with our sausage. And there you go. Boy, that looks good. Let's shut our burner off, because that's done. Now all we have to do is plate this up and give it a taste test. Yeah, that sounds good. I wish you could smell this, because it really smells good. Okay, let's plate this up and give it a taste test. Yep. Okay guys, here it is. Can you see it? Wow. All right, wish me luck getting that out of there. All right, let's give it a try. Okay, wow, look at that. Well, there you have it, guys. Our delicious frittata that we made with plenty of cheese. It's got mozzarella cheese, Fiesta cheese blend, and it's loaded with Johnsonville hot Italian sausage. Yep. And we have green onions in there, red bell peppers, green bell peppers, and sliced onion. Yeah. Plus we season it up good with the smoked paprika, salt and pepper, onion powder, garlic powder. Yeah, you can't beat this. It's loaded. All right, and you could see the thickness of it. Look at the thickness of this thing. Really nice and thick. All right, let's just get into a piece. Okay, let's just take one of these big pizza cutters and see if we can cut through there. Okay, wow, look at the cheese. All right, we'll go this way. Can you see it? Okay, we through? All right, let's just try this piece right here. Look at the size of that. Yeah, that's mine right there. Okay. Let's see if we can get that up and out of there good. Oh yeah. Look at the cheese, guys. Can you see it, the cheese? It's just everywhere. Oh yeah. Beautifully stringy. All right, can you see that? You see the thickness of this? Wow, is that beautiful. All right, we better put this on a plate. All right, there you go. Boy, is that good looking. Yep, this is gonna be tasty. Guaranteed. Yep. Look at the cheese on there. Can you see it? Beautiful. Stringy. That's that mozzarella. You can also spritz it with a little Parmesan cheese to make it taste even more cheesy. Yeah. Okay. Let's get into a little bite of this. We'll move this out of the way. Can you see? Okay. Let's just go ahead and have a bite of this. It's loaded with cheese, I can tell. It's just all gooey. Oh yeah. That's gonna be good. Let's just have a little bite. Oh yeah. Boy, is that tasty. All right, let's bring back our frittata. Yeah, that is really something, isn't it? Beautiful. And we'll put this right down here where you can see it. Well, there you have it, guys. Our delicious frittata that we made on top of the stove with 5 eggs and plenty of cheese. And it's loaded with Italian sausage. You're going to enjoy this one. Just go ahead and make them like this because, boy, are they tasty. And you can feed like 4 people because they're thick and they're big. You know, this is almost 12-inch here, so, but it's real thick and heavy, so it'll feed 4 people, no problem whatsoever. Okay, guys, if you're enjoying these videos, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Good.